Hey, hi friends, Sam here. So let me take a question which I frequently get whenever somebody enroll in my training program. Sam, will you give me placement assistance? Will you give me job assistance? Friends, I'm totally against this term. There is nothing called as job assistant and placement assistance. Rather, many a times it's very vague term, I believe in the simple philosophy. I am not the placement agency, by the way. I am a technical person, technical professional who uplift you technically and empower you to crack the interview process, empower you to gain the practical expertise so that you will be ready to work on the projects. And that's what IT companies look for. Okay, so exactly the same thing I do in my training program. But of course, whenever there is some openings in my circle and all, I do share that with you all, and I prefer people trained by me to recommend their profiles. That I do, but that is not my service. I don't charge for that. So whenever somebody asks me placement assistant and job assistant, this is my answer for them. I hope you're convinced with that. Thank you.